Well, hello everybody again. This is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's June 9th still. It's about 12:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And after an interesting little sell-off with multiple lower swing highs and lower swing lows and a pretty good sell-off to the support area that got broken, we started hugging the next round number of 94. Running up on the 100 MA on a 3-minute chart, nothing much to speak of there, but pretty nice swing high, and it's a gap fill from this great support area. And again, that round number of 94 has been on our radar screen for quite some time. So good support there, a little bounce. They'll pop back up here into this big sell-off intraday, and you can see that right in here. So now we're looking around the 94.50 area. We'll watch that carefully as well intraday. The TRIN has been kind of all over the place, but is now kind of pulling back a bit. So big gap up in the markets, that's a little gap down. From here, run up, even in intraday volatility. Then the sell-off occurred on rising trends, so that was confirming it the whole time that was going on. However, the trend Q had been falling almost the entire day. So not the best time to go long the market or short the market in that scenario. So good for confirmation. Trend is now dropping 1.0, almost perfectly neutral. The trend Q is acting as a little bit of a buffer, holding the markets up. And I think part of that is this economic news that you'll see in a minute. Even though wholesale inventories were down a little bit more than expected, that doesn't move the market much like we had talked about. But 10 big banks get okay to repay $68 billion in bailout money. It's amazing to me that they have to ask for the ability to pay that back. The government wanted to make sure that all the other banks didn't look bad, from what I understand, and wasn't allowing them to pay those monies back. So I find that interesting. They're getting that chance to get rid of that and get the compensations back. All sorts of stuff. Basically get the government out of their company. So anyway, the markets reacted to that a little bit, and you can see that at least we're being short up here. All in all, though, this is just one more day of a high base being formed. That resistance was broken, becoming support. Again, the next run to the 100 MA or $100 mark. We also have the 50 MA that's declining right now. You can see that coming in here. I put a little circle around that in a training session I was doing. And we also, again, we're hovering around this 50% retracement of the big sell-off. So, again, a lot of overhead resistance, but we are chewing away on that. So, fantastic. That's what I see. Some good things in here. It's a little bit difficult to want to go long or short, again, when the trends are divergent like this, but they're coming back in line. Look for that, and be careful how you trade into this consolidation area on a broader term. So intraday you can always find some plays. Just be careful on a longer term time frame. Know where you are, know the environment, and trade well. Nice stuff in the chat room this morning. It's been fun to watch that. So if you haven't seen that yet, check it out, and look forward to D7's video this afternoon, and we'll talk to you soon.